This document came straight from a Claude conversation. Every heading and spacing came out exactly as requested. Here's how to do it. Open a new Claude chat. Describe the document you want. Include docs in the prompt and all the details Claude should use to create it. Claude generates and opens it as a docs artifact. Need to change the layout, font, or colors? Mention it in your next prompt. Claude updates the document instantly. Click Download and save the document. But what if you want to save the entire Claude conversation, not just the artifact? Install the Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs extension from the Chrome Web Store. Link is in the description. Once installed, refresh Claude. Export buttons now appear inside Claude. Select the format you want. The conversation exports with formatting preserved. Try it with any Claude conversation you want to save. Need more ways to export Claude conversations? Check the pinned comment. Subscribe for more Claude tutorials.